Hi guys, it's Jack here from I Collect Apple, and today I'm unboxing the brand new product red iPhone 8 Plus. Now, this video is going to be ever so slightly weird because by the time I got my hands on this demo unit, the plastic had already been taken off. But I'm still going to unbox it, and I know to lots of you, hearing the plastic peel off these phones is very important. So luckily, my colleague who actually opened the phone before me was actually recording, so I will mash up her clips with mine. So, to begin with, let's go through taking the plastic off. On the back of the box, it is fairly standard. This is a demo unit, so you're missing your big sticker in the middle with more information of the phone. Outside of the box is standard of an iPhone 8 Plus, but in red, so we have red Apple logos and red iPhone text on the side. And once again, on the back of the box, we have our information about the phone and our little product red branding down there, just like last year. So, if we slide the top of the box off, we will be greeted with our familiar iPhone packaging. So we got our documentation on top. If we just remove that for a minute, we should see the iPhone 8 Plus in all its glory. Obviously, black front this year, white front on the red 7, but they've gone for black this year. We'll get to that in a minute. If we take a look at the packaging, the documentation we've got, we do have our special product red card, which we, again, had last year, but normally you don't get that, of course. It tells you about product red and the charities the money goes to. We have our usual welcome to iPhone quick start guide, which just shows us how to use the iPhone at a basic level. Of course, we do have a SIM eject tool, and we do have 2 Apple stickers. It would have been a nice touch if these were red, but unfortunately they are just the standard white ones found with every iPhone. So I'm going to take a look at the phone itself now. So I've got a little video of the plastic being removed from it earlier on. I'm going to actually have to tip it out of the box because there's no tab for me to pull anymore, seeing as the plastic's actually already been removed. So as gracefully as I can. There we go, not too much mess. And wow, this thing is very red. I will take a look at that in more detail in just a second. So putting that to one side, what else is in the box? Of course, we do have our power adapter. We have a Lightning to USB cable. No headphones or headphone jack adapter because this is a demo unit. And with this Lightning cable, it would have been cool if this year they did something really funky like a red one, but obviously we never really expected that to happen. So my first impressions of this device are really positive. It's a really good looking device. It's a much more vibrant colour than last year's iPhone 7 in product red. That's because it's made of glass rather than aluminium, so it's a completely different finish. It's a shame the back of ours in the UK aren't as clean as over in the US, so we have those FCC labels, and we retain the Design by Apple in California text. It looks a lot cleaner on US phones, but still, this thing is really, really nice looking. I was a fan of the white front on the product red iPhone 7, and I'm still not convinced about the red going with a black front. I know red and black is a very popular combination, but I'm not the biggest fan. Having said that, it is seriously growing on me. It's a great looking phone. The silver lightning port goes with the red and the black so well. It's really, really nice, this phone. Of course, spec-wise, it's exactly the same as the normal iPhone 8 Plus, so you're not missing out on anything, but you're not gaining anything either. Unfortunately, this year, the mute switch indicator isn't white like it was last year, which was a really nice touch, and it's a bit of a shame because it doesn't stand out as well, so it's harder to see at a glance whether the device is on mute or not. So that's that for the red iPhone 8. The only question that remains is whether you should buy it or not. Well, that depends. I mean, if you're looking for a new phone right now, the 8 Plus is great, and this one's just beautiful, so go for it. But having said that, bear in mind that new iPhones will be out in about 5 months, so you might want to hold off for a little bit. Thanks for watching this unboxing, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.